I'm going to show you a trick to remove this hub from this strut or steering knuckle assembly on Polaris. This is a really common assembly. It's on Rangers and Sportsman, might be on others. Sometimes this spindle just slides right out of this aluminum assembly here. Sometimes it's really tight. Seems like it's about 50-50 on the few that I've worked on. And I've had some that I can't even get out in a press, but I'm going to show you the first thing to start with. I chalk it up in a vise. Obviously, you're going to have to use soft jaws here if you're trying to save this stuff, but this is a machine that's getting parted out, and this is worthless, so I don't mind putting the rough jaws on that. This is here just to hold it. You might be able to do this on the ground, but we're going to go over here where this brake rotor is, and you can see that the end of that bolt head there. We're going to position our strut assembly where when we back this bolt out down in there, we can push it off. And I'm also going to slide a washer in there behind it to kind of protect the aluminum on here. And you could take this back out of the vise and rotate it so this doesn't become torqued all in one direction. Or you can, push on this side and kind of hammer a little bit with a rubber mallet or something on the other, and that might get it to come out. So I'm going to get my washer in there and get a wrench, and we'll see how this goes. All right, so we got our washer in there. This is really cramped quarters here. It's hard to video and do this at the same time. You might have to play around with the washer size to make sure that aluminum's protected. And I had to slide it down in there with a magnet while I backed this out till it got tight. And you're going to have to probably hold this spindle still, which means you might have to have this in a vise and not on the ground. I've got to hold this spindle still while I back that bolt out. So it's not something I can really do on camera here. So I'm going to cut till I've backed this out completely and got this spindle moving some. So it was moving with that smaller washer. I screwed the bolt back in and put a bigger washer in there because that bolt only goes so deep. It looks like it is fairly long based off that boss that it's, I guess that's what you'd call it, that it goes into. But honestly, I don't know how long those are. So I went ahead and threaded it back in, put a bigger washer in, and once it's under a good amount of tension, before it seems like it's going to strip, of course, then I hammer on this side. And after I got that bigger one in there, you can see it's moved quite a bit, and it feels like it's going to come out now. So that did work. So if your hub is stuck in there, you can try this first, and hopefully this works for you. Thanks for watching. I just wanted to show you that it did actually come out. I had to do 2 washers to get it out far enough where I could beat on it with a dead blow hammer or soft mallet to get it out of there. That's about how far you can go with one of those bolts, just so you know. Thanks again.